Today we're going to be taking a look at this accent table. In this video, my husband and I are going to show you what comes in the box, put it together for you, and give you our tips and tricks so you don't make the same mistakes we did, and then give you our honest opinion of the table overall. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. In the box, you're going to have all of the hardware, the assembly instructions, and then there's several pieces that need to be connected. These are the legs, I think. It seems kind of short. These curved pieces form the base of the top. You have a couple of small blocks, and then we have the top piece. Now, what's nice about this, you can see anywhere there's screws, it does have these metal inserts, which will help the screws go in easier. The pictures in this are pretty amusing. Like these ones here, they're clearly not using the instructions, but these happy ones, these are clearly using the instructions. They do include anti-tip straps, so you should use those if you're not going to be putting this like in between a wall and a couch, because that's how we're going to put it. This part will take a little bit of patience, but this is how it should look. You have these little pieces here and then the nut, and you tighten this down until it's nice and sturdy. Okay, for these short pieces, there is a front and a back, so this side actually goes toward the holes that look all the same goes toward the middle posts, and then the holes that have the skinny part, they face out. The way that you have to put this together is pretty counterintuitive. We didn't flip it upside down. Instead, he's going upside down. If you're going to be installing the anchors, they go right here, and then you anchor this to the wall. Overall, we are really pleased with how easy this was to put together, how nice and sturdy of a table it is, and it fits our little mini Christmas tree perfectly. Don't mind the walls. The house is still a work in progress. It is a really nice looking table. Very high end feel and very sturdy and well made. If you are looking for a new accent table, we would not hesitate to recommend this one.